Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews and unboxings. Today I'll be reviewing this air sofa that you can bring with you to the beach. It's incredibly easy to set up. It's by this brand right here. First and foremost, it comes with a really easy to hold bag, and it's a bag inside a bag. This is for your inflatable hammock. 2 pieces that come with it as well. But other than that, it's literally just packaged just like this. What you do is you unclip this and then you run and then you fill this bag full of air and then you clip it again once this has air. And then basically this is going to expand into like a huge, so it's gonna look somewhat similar to this, except for it's gonna be huge, first off. And then these are gonna be filled with air. And then what you do is you sit in the middle over here and then you clip it at the end. So this is a perfect beach buddy. You can literally, or camping actually, you can literally, wherever you want a sofa, immediately and automatically, make sure to bring your air sofa with you. For more product reviews, unboxings, openings, and all that good stuff, continue watching. And also make sure to comment, let me know what you think about this air sofa. It also comes in all the different colors. Check out the link below to purchase, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye.